In the previous session, we have seen a few channels like distributors, sub-distributors, wholesalers, and retailers, right? Let's take a quick look into these distribution network channels in more detail in this session. First one, and the major one in the distribution network, is distributors. They are the major value chain involved in the network since the volume of goods transacted by distributors are huge when compared to other channels in the network. Distributors are like the heart of the FMCG distribution so that every other channels involved revolves around them. Generally, distributors buy products directly from the manufacturers such as P&G or Unilever or Nestle and sells those products to sub-distributors or wholesalers or retailers. They store these products and sells to other channels at a required quantity. In most cases, one distributor deals with only one manufacturer, which we call it as an exclusive distributor. But in some cases, I have seen one distributor may deal with multiple manufacturers as well. It depends on the territory coverage and the number of products that a distributor is dealt with. Also, most important thing to note is that distributors will not sell products directly to the end consumers like us. They will never ever involve in the counter sales. They generally sell products in bulk only to sub-distributors or wholesalers or even retailers. Next one in the network is sub-distributors. They are a smaller unit in terms of stock handling and storage when compared with distributors, and they work majorly for a particular territory only. They generally buy stocks from distributors since they will not have direct connection with manufacturing companies like Unilever or P&G or Nestle. On the buying side, one sub-distributor may deal with multiple distributors in an assigned region. There is no cap on the number of distributors as such. Here as well, sub-distributors will not sell products directly to the end consumers like us. Next is the wholesalers. In simple terms, wholesalers are like large retailers who has a proper retail unit set up in a large scale when compared to small kirana stores. This wholesaler concept is a very popular concept in rural side where there will be a centralized town that constitutes multiple villages. I think we discussed in the last session as well. So there will be multiple small kirana stores from all these villages, and those kirana stores will buy products from the wholesalers situated in the central town. These wholesalers buy stocks from distributors directly or sometimes through sub-distributors based on the availability in the respective region. And the last one is retailers, which I believe everyone is well aware of what being a retail outlet is. Everyone is exposed to it, right? So it is the smallest unit in the FMCG distribution network and manages the last mile coverage to reach the consumers' hands like us. Here, there is no one-to-one relationship with distributors or manufacturers. They deal with multiple distributors, multiple brands, and multiple products. They are the only channel in the distribution network value chain that faces the end consumers like us directly.